Righto guys, welcome to part 2 of the build series. Today we'll be doing, hopefully getting that cover made up for the sidecar master cylinder there. Probably put a phone holder on it. And I don't know, we'll see what else we get up to anyway. Righto, let's get into it. So guys, well I reckon actually first off what we'll get out of the way is the foot pegs. So we've got some aftermarket foot pegs and we'll just give them a change out. Righto, we'll get this phone holder installed, eh? Alright. Righto, bit rough but done. There we go guys, finished product. So, turn it on, around here, got your phone cord, just connects up to the bottom, and simple as done. Turn it off there. So, all in all, not too bad an outcome really. Righto. Well, I don't know, I reckon that's probably enough for tonight. Just a few little things, foot pegs, yeah, phone charger install, and yeah, that's about all I've got time for. Cheers, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe.